In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your website's IP address using your Hostinger account. Understanding your website's IP address is essential for managing your hosting environment and handling various technical tasks, such as setting up DNS records or troubleshooting connectivity issues. Thankfully, finding this information on Hostinger's platform is quick and straightforward. Let's dive into the steps, and I'll guide you through the process with some helpful tips along the way. To start, you'll need to log into your Hostinger account. If you haven't saved your credentials, make sure you have your username and password handy. Once you've entered your information, click on the Sign In button and you'll be directed to the main dashboard. This is your central hub for managing everything related to your websites hosted with Hostinger. Once you're logged into the dashboard, take a look at the menu on the left-hand side. Here you'll find an option labeled Websites. It's the main portal for accessing all your hosted sites. Give this link a click. Now, if you have multiple websites under your account, you'll see a list of them displayed here. Find the website for which you need to obtain the IP address. Next to each site, there is a button labeled Dashboard. Click this button for the correct website. Now that you're in the website-specific dashboard, your attention should again shift to the sidebar on the left. You're looking for an option called Plan Details. This is where you'll find information pertaining to your specific hosting plan, and conveniently, the website's IP address is nestled right in this section. Click on Plan Details, and it might take a moment to load if there's lots of data. The section will expand to reveal several details about your website, and the specific information we're interested in today is under the Website Details header. Here, you'll find your IP address clearly listed. It's typically represented as a series of numbers and dots. Be sure to record this information accurately because you might need it for configuration tasks or resolving specific technical queries. Remember, the format of your IP address is vital, so double-check for any typographical errors. And there you have it. You now know where and how to find your website's IP address in Hostinger. It's a small yet crucial piece of information that plays an important role in the background of your website's operations. Having this knowledge allows you to maintain better control over your hosting settings and troubleshoot more efficiently. If you run into any issues during this process, double-check each step to ensure you haven't missed anything. And if you're still having trouble, Hostinger's support team is a great resource for additional help. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide makes managing your web environment a little bit easier.